If you want to install the Modern Warfare 4 Open Beta Early Access on PC, and you've already pre-ordered the game, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to find and install the beta through Steam, Battle.net, and the Xbox app. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully, and let's get started. First, let's start with Steam. Open Steam and go to your library. If you've pre-ordered Modern Warfare 4, look through your games and find the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 Beta. Select the beta and click Install. Choose where you want to install the beta, and let Steam download all the required files. If you don't see the beta in your Steam library, completely close Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Exit. Once Steam is completely closed, open it again and check your library. If your account has early access, the Modern Warfare 4 Beta should now appear. Now let's move on to Battle.net. Open the Battle.net launcher and sign in using the account you used to pre-order Modern Warfare 4. Go to the Call of Duty section. If your account has access to the beta, you should see the Modern Warfare 4 Beta available here. Select the beta and click Install. Choose your installation location and wait for the download to finish. Now, if you pre-ordered Modern Warfare 4 through the Xbox app, open the Xbox app on your PC, use the search bar at the top, and search for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. Select the beta from the search results. If the beta is available for your account, select Install and choose your preferred installation location. Once the installation is complete, the beta will be ready on your PC, and you can launch it when early access becomes available. And that's it. That's how you can install the Modern Warfare 4 Open Beta Early Access on PC through Steam, Battle.net, or the Xbox app. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video